Uh, this is the nature of Sri Lanka. You can see this is paddy field. You know rice. In Sri Lankan farmers, they are making rice. They are growing paddy. So these are the paddy field. I will show you, and you can see some stones and also beautiful trees. So you can see that large trees area. There is a canal in there. So and also I will show you the close up. These are the paddy field. So paddy I will show you. So you can see this is the paddy. See seeds. So every 4 months, after 4 months, we can all cut. We can we can pick the all the seeds by using machine. Sometimes people are manually they are doing. They are peeling all the seeds, and we are making rice. See, you can see some uh, coconut trees. That large one. Those are the coconut trees. See, and you will see that white color. White color. There's a tree. We are calling Bo tree. Bo tree mean in Buddhist people we are worshipping. We are worship that tree. I will show you after going there.